I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts.
Hey everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Nique. In today's video, I am showing you guys a wig that I purchased from Amazon. I do have to say, you guys, please read the description when you're purchasing wigs from Amazon, because I thought I was getting this right here. Let me show you a picture, so you can understand my disappointment when I received this. You guys, this is a trust the process video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe if you like what you see. I can tell you that the hair quality is amazing. It feels good. It's nice and soft. My only complaint with this hair is the fact that it has a lot of short pieces and it's very, very thin. It does give a natural look. However, it's not full enough for me. Once again, you guys, I appreciate you supporting my channel. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe. It does the channel well. And I will see you guys in another video. Bye.
Let's go. Yo, I'm like an addict, do I gotta have it. I ain't even playing, got a really bad habit. If it moves, gotta grab it, fuse like a magnet. Lose, won't have it till I'm doomed in a casket. I ain't playing, got a weird mind. If you work 8 hours, I'ma work 9. If the shit tastes sour, you should taste mine. I'ma stay in power for a long time. Get up, nah, I ain't a quitter. Toss me the ball, I'm a really big hitter. Big picture, I'm a straight killer. Rising the song to the highest bidder. Got juice, got gas, I'ma move fast. New shoes, new tracks, like who's that? I'm new, come back better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. I'm never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, cause that's what it takes. built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's facts. Only I can make a change. Slowly take a step today. I will never be the same, 'cause that's what it takes. better than last. Yeah, it's a new me, never gonna look back. Never gonna look back. Cause damn, I was built to last. You move slow and I move fast, and that's fact.